Okay, so a lot of you wanted to know how to make thumbnails, and in today's video, I'm gonna teach you. So it all starts with what you want to do is you want to get green, like lime concrete, and then form a bit of like a box. I don't know, do like that slash like fill command and something just like to make it quicker instead of just placing them all individually. But once that's done, this will be your green screen. You just want to turn off everything that like you've got on, maybe on like your Feather client, Luna client, anything that you've got, you want to get rid of it. And you want to also have replay mode, because when you hit record, you can get awesome angles that like you can't. I'll just show you that. But yeah, you want to like get like, I don't know, like do whatever you want to do, like based off the thumbnail that you want. But say I want like a PvP thumbnail, I'll just come here, like maybe hold the shields, look up like this, walk away a little bit, and then that's one capture. And then what I'll do is I'll like, I don't know, grab like a mace and then do this, and then that's the shots done. And then you obviously want to go into replay mode, come here, and this is where you're going to get the screenshot. So you want to press T to get the mouse, slow it down to your likings, and I'm just going to speed it up until I do the shield thing, like that. I'm going to slow it down, do this, then you're going to click, if you have a 60% keyboard, FN and 1, or just F1, and then you're going to want to just press escape, and then it will get rid of the mouse for you. And then if you want it back, just press T. And then here's like your first shot. You can go into like 30 FOV to make it better, for better quality. So that's a good shot there. Then you just want to go ahead and screenshot that. Then you want to do this all again. Just kind of repeat that process until you find the perfect shot that you want. And as soon as you find that shot, just take your screenshots. Perfect. F1, press escape, come here. And you just want to get your perfect shot. Just like that. And if your name tags are still popping up, you want to press F2 or FN2 on a 60% keyboard, and just press render names, press start, and press cancel, and then just F1 and F1 again. So that's my username, and now it's gone. Alright, and now you just want to press exit replay mode. I don't know, like, and then I don't know, you can like go on Pinterest, just Pinterest, and find like good backgrounds, like just find good backgrounds on Pinterest. Or what you can do is you can make your own. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to create a new world. I'm going to do allow commands, creative, peaceful, now we're going to do default. So we just need to find a nice place in the world and take a little screenshot of it, which I would say, if the trees were there, that would be a good spot. Here's perfect. Right, so let's take a screenshot of this, and then we can leave that. So you just want to close your Minecraft, and you want to go over to this website called Photopea, and you want to press open from computer, go into your Minecraft videos or whatever you took the screenshot on, and you want to just import the screenshot. Then go into file, press open in place, scroll all the way down, and then you want to get your two screenshots here, and I'm going to put the first one in first to see which one I want the mace guy on. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press this tool right here, and then click this, and just click the green part of the screen, and then you want to press backspace, like take away, and then you're just going to press OK. Wait, what? Oh wait, there's two. My bad. Yeah, then it's going to take away all of that, and then you're just going to do that, and then you're left with your character. And then you want to click this, go on edit, and then click on free transform, and then you can just move your character Alright, and then you want to do that exact process again, but with the other screenshot, like this one. Put that one in, go, just do this, go here, click that, take away, and then you've got your screenshot. And then obviously, edit, free transform, put him here, because why not? And he's going to be coming down off of there. Okay, now that we're done with that, we've got our screenshot. And now you want to go over to this thing called My Fonts. So this is the font that I use, but obviously you can use any one that you want, but I use Pantone Rust, and then I scroll down here. So I scroll down until I find this one, Pantone Rust Bold Base, and I click this one, and then I do this. I became a god. Just like that. Then you want to go ahead and press save. And save that, go back to Photopea, and then you can just literally just close that. And now you can scroll down from your downloads, find obviously the text. Make it however big you want it and just position it where you want. I would mostly go for it being here. And I don't know if that's in the way of the maze, but we're just going to go with it. So now that you've done this, you can go back to this tool and start deleting it. Like so. And now you've got your font. So now what you can do is now obviously go into edit and free transform and make it as big as you like. Actually, to be honest, I kind of like this. So if you want to make the font look better and stand out more, you want to go into layer, like layer style, and stroke, and then you can make how thick you want the stroke. I would normally go around maybe 6, and maybe have like a little bit of drop shadow and stuff, like inner shadow. That's fine. But you can just customize this all to your liking, but I'm not gonna go through that because I'm mostly trying to get this video out. But this is just for the future YouTubers out there that don't want to go somewhere. This is the tutorial for you. So I don't like how not centered this is, so I'm just gonna go to free transformation and put it to about there, and yeah, that looks better. Okay, so now we have a thumbnail. Okay, but it just looks very plain and boring, so I want it to stand out. So if you want it to stand out, just click image, adjustments, brightness and contrast, and then we can make it so I like it. So I normally like it around like here, just so it stands out more and it has better quality, because the better the quality of the, the thumbnail, the more it just attracts people to want to click, you know what I mean? You don't want a boring thumbnail, do you? You want it to stand out. So saturation, I'll probably put that at around. I'll just keep the saturation at 0 if I'm honest with you. I'll do. I would normally do exposure. So a bit of exposure though, like that. So copy them settings if you want it to stand out, and then I'm gonna copy these settings with my characters. So I'm just gonna go ahead like so. I'll speed it up so you don't have to just sit here and wait. Perfect. So now it just stands out more, and it just, I don't know, it just attracts people, it makes them want to click, you know what I mean? Yeah, if you just want to add anything else, like obviously you go open in place, do like the magic tool to get rid of the background or whatever you don't like of it, and just import it on, transformate it, free transformation, do whatever you want, and yeah, that's just really how I make my thumbnails. So now all you gotta do is just press save changes, and then you can back out, and then I'll record your video and do whatever. But yeah, that is